free for you and me. Oh, see that calling, calling on my people, calling on my people. It's time to get together and unite. Whoa, yeah. It's time to get together and unite for the children. Yeah, no peace and harmony. Yeah, and that will be one in the community. No peace and love and harmony. Tell me now. Say Africa unite, no fuss nor fight. Everything is alright. Oh, the false religion, no inner division. We don't deal with no politician. The whole of them are try be in slavery. You better give it up while you owe it. A reparation time. No separation time. No.